coming to the today's topic, networking. See, every intelligent person who involves in any business or profession knows how to invest in money. But only the wise people will know that how much we should invest in money and how much we should invest in relationship. So you all will agree that in today's era, networking has become an essential aspect of our career. So you must develop relationship and connection within your network to have more opportunity to advance your career. Since because it is a mantra of success or growth of any business or class, what is networking and how networking is important. See, we all know that, and sir has also started like this is a exchange of information and ideas amongst the people with a common professional interest or any business interest, some common interest, usually in an informal social settings. So when you go out and meet the people, if you meet a different people will give you a different ideas, and you never know that one idea click to your mind and you start working on it and it gives you a success. So, and that's the purpose of sharing of information, and it's a power of networking also. If you ask me, as a working woman myself, even I have struggled with successful networking for years. In my 15 years of my journey, what I have learned from other successful people, that I can summarize into a some principle which I called is, which I am going to share today with all of you. So the first principle, what I can say is, do your research and be prepared. So preparation is very crucial for the networking. So before meeting to the people, just make sure to your own message by preparing your elevator pitch ahead of time. Say example about your profile. It should be in very brief, but it should reflect everything about yourself. जो हम बोलते हैं कि within 1 minute just say something about yourself. So that should be very impressive and proper. आपकी identity उनके सामने जानी चाहिए. So additionally, what you can do is just prepare a list of discussion of topics before meeting to the people, which you can have handy when you are meeting to new people. And don't forget to do your networking due diligence before meeting to them. So what you can do is you can check you can prepare list of attendees जिनको आप मिलने वाले हो. You can carry with your business cards, visiting cards with you. So some small preparation is required before meeting to the people. Or if you are thinking ki, yes, today I'm going to meet different kind of people, so just do research before going that and prepare yourself. So the more you know about the person you are meeting, the better off you will be. So before going, read the, just like if you are going to the companies, any company में किसी को आप मिलने जा रहे हो, so read the company's website and full, learn more about the person in any way you can. Just check his or her social media, follow their accounts, get up the speed of the company's latest news, etc. So this will show that this information will lead to talking points during your discussion, and will also exemplify your passion and excitement for the assignment you are going for. So before going, just remember, do your research and prepare yourself fully. The second, what you can do, you should do is craft the perfect elevator pitch for you. See, what is elevator pitch? Elevator pitch is about yourself. And this is the best way to project yourself and tell others about you. So make sure it defines your professional identity, not just about your title. It's complete professional identity, your expertise, as well as what makes you unique and valuable, which we call USP. So आपको अपनी USP लोगों को बतानी है कि what is there in you, what you can how you can add some value to them. Moving forward, the third principle we can talk about, make networking a daily habit. See, it's not a one-time job. So don't restrict yourself to the specific events कि अभी मुझे जरूरत है तभी मैं जाऊंगी, नहीं है तो नहीं जाना है, something like that. It should not like that. Instead of that, turn this into a daily practice. Just remember that it's simply the practice of building relationship, as rightly said by Jay sir also in his speech, that you networking is not only taking something, you have to give also sometime, you have to build relationship. So don't be shy. कहीं पे भी आप जाते हो तो हम सोचते हैं हम उससे कैसे बात स्टार्ट करेंगे, how to go ahead or something. Just put yourself out there, attend all the events related to your industry, profession, join some good association, schedule some meetings, go and you can treat people to coffee or lunch also. And in short, you have to add this in your daily routine. ये कोई वन टाइम जॉब नहीं है कि हम वंस इन अ ईयर किसी को मिल लिए, 2-3 इवेंट्स अटेंड कर लिए और हो जाएगा. If you really want to take a benefit of networking, you have to make it on a daily habit basis पे आपको करना पड़ेगा. Next important point is you have to be flexible and you have to keep your mind open. So if any opportunity comes to you, even if it is very small, but don't say no, because you simply never know where life is going to take you. Sometimes we थोड़े से हम reserved रहते हैं कि नहीं इतना बड़ा असाइनमेंट होगा तो ही हम करेंगे, ये चीज होगा तो ही हम उसको क्वांटिफाई करने लग जाते हैं. So don't restrict yourself to on a very resist करके या हमको ये बहुत reserved होकर नहीं चलना चाहिए, because we never know that sometime 2 days freelancing job or assignment can turn into a full-time position. So keeping an open mind rather and thinking yes instead of I'm not sure or will tell you, or हम उसको second thought देते हैं कि अरे बहुत छोटा है नहीं करना, something like that. So that might lead you to places you might have never imagined. So you have to be a very open mind and थोड़ा सा reserve नहीं रहेंगे तो ज़्यादा better है. So next is don't forget to following up आफ्टर ईच नेटवर्किंग इवेंट. होता क्या है, हम किसी को मिलके आते हैं और उसके बाद हम भूल जाते हैं, उसका कार्ड लेके आए और उसके बाद में ड्रॉर में रख दिया और बाद में भूल भी गए, वो पर्सन भी भूल जाएगा. जैसे जय सर ने भी बोला कि आप किसी को एक बार मिलते हो तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल द पर्सन विल रिमेम्बर यू. It's not at all possible. So how you will make them कि आपको वो कैसे याद रखे. आपने अगर उनके साथ मीटिंग की है, सो यू शुड फॉलो अप. द फॉलो अप शुड नॉट लाइक कि मैं डेली उसको अप्रोच कर रहे हैं और उसको डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. द पर्सन विल गेट इरिटेटेड इफ यू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. सो द पीपल विल नॉट रिमेंबर यू इन वन मीटिंग. So the most important part of networking is actually the follow up. So you have to make sure to collect उनके आपने जो बिजनेस कार्ड कलेक्ट किए हैं, कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन जो लिए, so you have to be get in touch with the people जिनको आप मिल के आए हो. इवन बेटर अगर आप उसको एक डेटाबेस बना लो, उनसे मिलने के बाद में उनसे जो जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है आपने एक एक्सेल में नोट करके रखी, अपनी डायरी में नोट करके रखी, जो आपको लगता है कि फ्यूचर में ये मुझे काम आएगी. से एग्जाम्पल में अगर किसी कंपनी के सीईओ को मिलती हूँ और मुझे मालूम है कि उसका फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट है और मुझे उससे कुछ काम आगे हो सकता है, सो मैंने 3-4 इंफॉर्मेशन नोट करके रख ली ताकि जब मुझे कभी उसको मिलना है या उसके साथ कोई इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करनी है, मेरा प्रोफाइल मैच करता है, सो आई कैन कॉन्टेक्ट देम. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन जो हमको लगता है कि हमारे को फ्यूचर में यूजफुल है, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन का आप एक नेटवर्किंग डेटाबेस बना सकते हो. एंड यू हैव पीरियडिकली कीप इन टच विद द पीपल. आप उन लोगों से मिलके आने के बाद में आपने लिस्ट बनाई, मैसेजेस भेजे, बट अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू डोंट सेंड देम मैसेज ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. आफ्टर फॉलोइंग अप what you can do is refresh your network periodically. So don't let your network grow stale. Instead of that, keep it active and updated by keeping in touch with them. So you can attend the regular meetings of that networking events, with you using your connections or networks, not on a daily basis, but once in a week or fortnightly, you can send them a mail of good contents. Or so in short, you have to be visible in every sense, so that people will be able to recognize you and remember you. The next principle, in my view, this is my personal view, and which is really most important in networking, what I can say is the capitalize on a 360-degree approach to the networking. So what is a 360-degree approach? See, make networking fully effective all around by adopting a 360-degree approach. Capitalize on every opportunity to network while being bold enough to initiate connections and leveraging your uniqueness. So for sustained progress, what I believe is that apart from big associations or big people, we must network with our peers or our colleagues or those who are junior to us as well. So we generally consider our contemporaries to be on the same level as we are, like, so we may not think of them as valuable contacts. So और उनको थोड़ा सा हम कम importance देते हैं, but instead of ignoring these people or seeing them as competitors, we should view them as a potential collaborators and partners. So with this perspective, we can build strong relationship and supportive relationship that definitely फिर वो आपको थ्रू आउट आपके करियर में हेल्प करते हैं. So connecting with your folks of all ages and career stages will definitely enhance your life with new perspective and friendships. So simply put, the best way to network is to realize the value of people and not just the position they occupy. तो अगर हम बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में देखें, अगर हम कहीं कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाते हैं, किसी को मिलते हैं, तो हमारा ऑलवेज फोकस जो होगा द पीपल सिटिंग ऑन द डाइस, स्पीकर्स, और वही लोगों की तरफ हमारा फोकस होता है. एवरीवन वांटेड टू मीट देम आफ्टर द लेक्चर्स और मीटिंग. हम उनके साथ में कार्ड एक्सचेंज करना चाहते हैं, उनसे बात करना चाहते हैं. वी जस्ट वांटेड टू इंटरेक्ट देम, टू फील देम, ताकि अपना कार्ड शेयर किया ये सोच के कि फ्यूचर में the people will remember us. और हम ये भूल जाते हैं the person sitting with us on the next chair who वो भी equally हमारे लिए important हो सकता है. So हम पोजीशन के बेस पे लोगों से नेटवर्क करने के लिए चूज करते हैं. So we should avoid that. This is in my opinion. So rather we should meet our peers more, and it is always better rather approaching to only to the top people. We should think and look at the picture from 360-degree approach. Not only जो पोजीशन पे है, जो ऑलरेडी established people है, उनसे नेटवर्किंग के बजाय हमको कंप्लीट 360-डिग्री अप्रोच लेकर चलना चाहिए और उनके साथ में मीटिंग करनी चाहिए. And some mistakes we should avoid when we are actually thinking about networking. See, most of the time, it is noticed that we may tend to feel too comfortable in our own circle, and we generally talk to our known people only or known group only, and many a times foregoing the opportunity to expand our network. So we should avoid to do this. होता क्या है, जब हम जाते हैं कहीं पे भी, कोई इवेंट में, किसी प्रोग्राम में, तो हम एक ग्रुप बना के लेके चलते हैं. वी 2-3 people are going together and we always feel comfortable to talking and gelling between our known people only. जो ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट पर्सन है, जिसको हम जानते नहीं है, उससे हम जाकर बात भी नहीं करते हैं. सो वी शुड अवॉइड दिस. सो आपको सबसे पहले उन्हीं लोगों को अप्रोच करना चाहिए जिसको आप बिल्कुल नहीं जानते, बिकॉज जिसको आप जानते हो, हु आर नोन टू यू, उनसे तो आप बाद में भी बात कर सकते हो. बट जब आप ऐसे इवेंट में हो, सो वहां पर rather than just mixing with own gelling with your own people, you should go and meet to the new people. Additionally, हमारी एक tendency और है कि not want to brag and hesitate to ask for what we need. and this can keep us back when it comes to the networking. So हम लोग जब भी बात करते हैं, सो हम अपना पर्पस उनसे शेयर करने में भी थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट करते हैं. व्हाट वी एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर दिस अलायंसेस और असाइनमेंट, और जो हम उनसे बात करने के लिए भी, क्लियर बात करने के लिए भी थोड़ा हेजिटेट करते हैं. सो वी शुड अवॉइड टू डू दिस मिस्टेक. So if you really want to do a good networking और उसके benefits आपको लेना है, so you should keep in mind this 7-8 things which I have explained. As I said that this is the principle of networking which we need to keep in mind when we are actually thinking to start networking. इसके बाद में हमारे दिमाग में कुछ सवाल आते हैं कि how we should start networking, when to start, what are the things which we should keep in our mind, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है इसके, क्या मुझे बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं. ऐसा है कि मैं रोज मीटिंग्स अटेंड कर रही हूँ, मेरा टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ 3 घंटा 6 घंटा और मुझे कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है, व्हाई शुड वी गो फॉर इट. हम कई बार ऐसी सब चीजें सोचकर भी रुक जाते हैं. सो हाउ वी शुड स्टार्ट? तो सिंपल थिंग्स, यू हैव टू गो out and meet to the new people on a daily basis. When should start? See, इसका कभी कोई टाइम फिक्स नहीं है कि हमको इस दिन पे करना है या ये टाइम पे करना है. इमीडिएटली जब भी आपको लगता है, इमीडिएट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट. So it's not something like when we should start. And there are some biggest advantages of networking. Of course, yes, बहुत ज़्यादा advantages हैं. The first I can say is access to skill and resources. The opportunity to gather the new information is definitely an often overlooked benefit of networking. So it's a great opportunity to exchange best practice knowledge and learn about the best business techniques of your peers and stay abreast of the latest industry development. बिकॉज जब हम लोगों को जाकर मिल रहे हैं, इतने लोगों के साथ में एक साथ इंटरेक्शन कर रहे हैं, एवरी पर्सन हैज अ डिफरेंट क्वालिटी और उसके पास अपना एक डेटा सोर्स है. एवरी पर्सन हैज सम स्पेशल नॉलेज और उसके पास अपना एक इंफॉर्मेशन है, एक अलग नॉलेज है. और wide network of informed interconnected contacts means a broader access to a new and valuable information. तो जितने लोगों को आप ज्यादा मिलोगे उतने ज्यादा आपको रिसोर्सेज और स्किल के लिए एक्सेस मिल जाती है. So by doing this you will have a access to skill and resources unlimitedly. It will depend on you how much you will gain it. फिर ये तो आप ही के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप उसको कैसे यूटिलाइज करते हो उस नेटवर्क को और उससे कितना इंफॉर्मेशन गेन कर पाते हो और उस इंफॉर्मेशन को आप अपने फेवर में कैसे यूज कर सकते हो. बिकॉज अगर हम ऐसे रीड करने जाए तो हमको 1 घंटे में हम कुछ लिमिटेड नॉलेज ले सकते हैं. बट इफ यू आर मीटिंग 1 hour टू द डिफरेंट पीपल, हर एक पर्सन हमको डिफरेंट आइडियाज दे के जाते हैं, अलग अलग इंफॉर्मेशन दे के जाते हैं. Second benefit of networking, I can say, is stay on top of the latest trends and get fresh ideas. Exchanging information on challenges, experiences, and goal is a key benefit of networking because it allows you to gain new insight that you may not have otherwise thought of. So your network can be excellent source of a new perspectives and ideas to help you in your any role. So because बात करते करते आपको बहुत सारी चीजें, लेटेस्ट अपडेट क्या है, ट्रेंड क्या है, क्या नया अपडेशन है, नॉलेज क्या है, कुछ जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड बातें भी हो जाती है, कुछ बातें ऐसी भी हो जाती है, हमको करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है. सो यू विल बी ऑलवेज अपडेटेड और सम लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स क्या है, करंट अफेयर्स क्या है, सो यू विल बी अपडेटेड विथ ऑल द knowledge. Next benefit is you can improve your personality. Networking can improve your personality drastically by continuously putting yourself out there and meeting to the new people on daily basis or some weekly basis on a routinely, I mean, so you are effectively stepping outside from your comfort zone, and you are building invaluable social skill and self confidence that you can take with you anywhere. So the more you network, the more you'll grow and you'll learn how to make lasting connections. Because जब हम बाहर जाते हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं, so we'll come to know how we should talk with them, कैसे बात करनी है, बाहर के लोग कैसे बात करते हैं, how you can present yourself, how you can position yourself. So काफी ideas हमको बाहर निकल के लोगों से मिलके पता चल जाते हैं. समटाइम किसी से हम इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं, किसी के ड्रेसिंग सेंस से, किसी के बात करने के स्टाइल से, किसी की लैंग्वेज से. सो यू नेवर नो कि आपको क्या हिट करेगा और आपकी पर्सनालिटी कैसे ऑटोमेटिकली इम्प्रूव होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. Some networking is about sharing, it's not only taking, and it's about forming trust and helping one another towards goal. So जब आप उस social world का part बनते हैं, दूसरों की help करते हैं, so by doing this you sow the seeds of the reciprocal assistance, and you never know, you may find prospective relationship which can help to achieve your goal. और वो कोई भी हो सकता है, मे बी आपको कोई मेंटर मिल जाए बात करते हुए अच्छा, जिससे आप इन्फ्लुएंस होके आपका पूरा करियर डिजाइन चेंज हो सकता है. You can find some good employer if you are looking for a good opportunity or as a job. You can find some partners with your business or your firms or professional की अगर हम बात करें तो, or you can find some good client also. So you never know कि आप जब बाहर जा रहे हो, उनसे मिल रहे हो, कौन सा आइडिया किसके साथ क्लिक कर रहा है, आप जिसको हेल्प कर रहे हो वो आपको रेसिप्रोकल असिस्टेंस में कुछ भी देके जा सकता है. So next advantage is being visible and getting noticed is a benefit of networking, and that's essential in career building. It will enhance your visibility. So regularly attending professional and social events will help make your face known, and people will start recognize you. Because एक मीटिंग में तो कोई आपको याद रखेगा नहीं और रख भी नहीं सकता, इवन हम भी नहीं रख पाते हैं. So if you want to enhance your visibility, you have to go out and meet the people. So once your face will be known face, the people will start recognizing you and remembering you. फिर आपकी qualities भी उनको याद रहेगी. Yes, you are a chartered accountant or businessman. आपका business क्या है, आपकी services क्या है, something like that. Then they will start remembering you. So you can create value for other attendees also by listening carefully to them, following up the conversations, remembering the names, and offering your knowledge and expertise. So you never know how it will help you or it can help you. So offering helpful ideas in return is an excellent way to build your reputation, maybe as an innovative thinkers. So in short, it can the benefit can be, it can enhance your visibility in a very good manner. Next I can say is your brand building. See, your brand is your reputation. So it's your calling card. So it's what you are known for and how people experience you. It's about bringing who you are to what you do and how you do it. So delivering your brand very clearly and consistently will create a memorable experience in the minds of those who those you interact with, and can open doors to the new opportunities. Because वो आपकी एक brand image बना देता है. जब आप बाहर जाते हो तो people जैसे आपको recognize करेंगे, remember उनके दिमाग में रहेगा, तो एक image के साथ, as I told you that you have to tell them what is your USP. So people will remember you with your USP. So it will create your own brand, your own image. And also you can then help to build your reputation as being a knowledgeable person, reliable, supportive member of your profession, by offering some useful information to them, or some tips to people who really need it. Next, by doing networking, you can boost your career drastically. Gaining an advice of experienced peers in an important benefit of networking. So discussing some common challenges and opportunities opens the door to valuable suggestions and guidance. So also expanding your contacts can open doors to new opportunities for business, career advancement, personal growth, or simply new knowledge. तो जब हम नेटवर्किंग की बात करते हैं, so benefits unlimited है. आपको कैसे करना, you have to keep some points in your mind. और आज in today's era, we all know that without networking we cannot grow, and especially in this time when we are sitting at home, we are not able to go out and meet the people. What you can do is virtual networking is also possible. What we are doing currently now, it's a virtual networking. We are sharing a knowledge, interacting with the people, and आपको उससे भी काफी सारे ideas मिल जाते हैं. So virtual networking is also equally important, or especially in today's time. In virtual networking, what you can, how you will make yourself that yes, you are there in this meeting. You can ask some questions. You can other attendees को आप कुछ messages डाल सकते हैं. So आप उतने ही attentive virtual में भी आपको होना चाहिए जितना हम actually में सोचते हैं कि while we are actually doing a networking. So active networking really helps to keep you top of mind when opportunities such as maybe job openings arise, or increase your likelihood of receiving introductions to potential relevant people, or even a referral. So I can conclude my talk with the line that your network is your net worth. So unlock the hidden power of connection for wealth, success, and happiness in this digital age. So with this, I can say it's all about networking. If anyone has any question.
Ma'am, there's one question. What is, in your opinion, on current scenario, networking is easy and important, or with digital tool, everyone is doing networking and it is over messy or crowded?
Current scenario, I feel is it's networking. I think बहुत best way में हो सकती है. Day in day out we are doing. We are on sometime on Zoom meeting. कभी go to webinar में. आजकल तो ऐसा है कि मीटिंग के लिए जाना है, 5-10 लोगों को मिलना है, तो बस Zoom का लिंक भेज दिया and we can start conversation और जो भी communicate करना है. And through video call or just like we are doing currently, इससे तो और भी ज़्यादा easy हो गया है. And crowdy and messy, I think we have managed. We just manage कर लिया हमने crowd को भी. So I don't think so. It's कोई problem है. Even virtual networking बहुत ज़्यादा effective हो गई है.
But I can suggest that we really have to work on our discipline aspect. We have to be a little bit disciplined with respect to our using of social media.
Correct.
If we are very much disciplined with respect to using all that, then it's a boon for all of us. Any more questions on networking for benefits for business or profession, or how a professional, ma'am, we would like to have your view, like how a chartered accountant can grow his CA practice, a sole proprietor who is sitting in a faraway place, how he can, this is a burning issue, like, and from years, this is the issue, how a CA can grow his practice with the help of his peers, whether it's going to be, because peers are competitors too.
Is Jay sir with us? How to grow the practice? See, are you talking about proprietorship concept or what exactly?
For any chartered accountant.
For any chartered accountancy, as I mentioned in my session also, that networking is really important. और somewhere we chartered accountant कहीं पे यहाँ पे थोड़े से कम पड़ जाते हैं. In terms of communication की अगर हम बात करें, presentation in terms of our own presentation, because we are master in, I mean technically हमको कोई भी पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकता. We are master in our subjects. आप finance बोलो, accounts बोलो, audit बोलो, we are definitely master in that. But if you really want to grow and आप job करते हो, वहां पर भी equally ये important है. And if you are into a practice, definitely it is important. If you feel कि कोई सामने से चल के मेरे पास आएगा और बोलेगा कि आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हैं और आपको हम ये काम देना चाहते हैं, this is not possible. I'm telling you, it is next to impossible. You have to go out, meet the people. आप उनको बताओ कि आपकी फर्म में आप क्या डिलीवर कर सकते हो. What is expertise in you or your partners or with your firms? कितना एक्सपीरियंस है फर्म में, नहीं है. So जब तक आप ये बातें जाकर करोगे नहीं, people will not come to you. और हम प्रोप्राइटरशिप की भी बात करें, आप whether it is proprietorship or partnership, but आपको अगर if you are in a partnership, you have to one person has to take a lead for one area. जैसे सर भी जो नेटवर्किंग गाइडलाइन की बात कर रहे थे, इंस्टीट्यूट की गाइडलाइन की भी, वो कहीं ना कहीं इतने टाइम से भी अटका हुआ था और अभी भी अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो वहां पर वही बात है. जैसे उन्होंने बेस्ट एग्जांपल दिया कि if you are expert in guitar and someone is expert in some drum में और किसी का singing में, if we all are separate है, scattered है, so we cannot make a orchestra. और अगर हमको ऑर्केस्ट्रा बनाना ही है तो we all have to come together with one specialty. Then only हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि we are orchestra. नहीं तो हम यही बोलेंगे I am a good singer, I am a good guitar player, I am good in some tunes बजाने में और something like that. So आपको वो एक पूरा डेवलप करना पड़ेगा आपके प्रोफाइल में कि आप जहां पर जाके बात कर सकते हो कि वी आर कंप्लीट बिजनेस सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर, नॉट ओनली अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, वी आर कंप्लीट बिजनेस सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर. सो वो टर्म्स में नेटवर्किंग डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है.
ने भी जैसे आपने the like you have explained in your presentation that we come across, we go to seminars, sessions, and we meet lot of people, we collect cards, and we of course we go to, sometimes we often go to meet them in person, 2-3 meetings we have with them, but sometimes there's something missing, and because of that 90-95% people can't get that work done, or can't get the deal, or can't get out of something, can't get that something result from that connection. Like there's something missing because of that deal doesn't work out. So can you point out that what is that X factor?
I got your point. I got your point that कि अगर हम जा रहे हैं तो हमको ultimately what we are getting at the end. But please remember that networking is not to get always to get something out of that. Networking is purely to build a relationship. Maybe वो relationship आपने बनाई है अगर, तो हो सकता है 5 साल बाद वो एनकेश हो या 5 साल बाद वो काम आएगी. But you have to wait and you have to be patient enough to wait for 5 years. तभी जाके कोई भी नेटवर्किंग अलायंसेस सक्सेसफुल होता है. अगर हम ये सोचेंगे कि मैंने जो फर्स्ट मीटिंग की उसी में द पर्सन, मैंने कार्ड एक्सचेंज किया, उनको बोला बट डील क्रैक नहीं हुई, समथिंग लाइक दैट, या हम कहीं पे भी अपना प्रोफाइल लेके जाते हैं और अब काम नहीं आता है एंड वी फील दैट कि काम तो आया ही नहीं, इट्स वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ये सोचना
happens with 90% people.
ये बहुत बड़ी, ये बहुत, ये यही मैं बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज वी डू दिस टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक्स ओनली. एक तो हम बहुत जल्दी डिसीजन पे आ जाते हैं और उसमें पेशेंस नहीं. इसीलिए द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज यू शुड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि उसका पर्पस क्या है. हम जो नेटवर्किंग कर रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट अ वन टाइम जॉब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जो मैंने पहले भी बोला आपको, और अर्ली गेनिंग भी नहीं है, इमीडिएट गेनिंग भी नहीं है. You have to keep in your mind that I am going for to build a relationship, professional relationship, business relationship, something like that. So वो आज नहीं तो कल तो काम आएगा ही आएगा. And you, in this networking settings, you have to put yourself more rather than expecting more from others. So आप पहले अपना क्या दे रहे हैं उस नेटवर्क को, ये आप देखिए. उसके बाद आप एक्सपेक्ट करना स्टार्ट करो कि व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम दिस नेटवर्किंग सेटिंग, तो ही आपका नेटवर्किंग अलायंसेस सक्सेसफुल होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा। अगर हम हर बार यही सोचेंगे कि मुझे इस मीटिंग से कुछ मिलना चाहिए, इस अलायंस से इमीडिएटली आई शुड गेन समथिंग, सो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू सक्सेस in any business or any profession. So if any question comes to you, Nadipti, you can forward it to me. I'll
Yeah.
definitely try to help as much
Surely, I would like to you all to be connected with Gyan Station for all the upcoming webinars. We are going to launch series of webinars in this upcoming week, and which are going to be absolutely free for all the participants. So stay tuned with Gyan Station during all this time, and do visit Gyan Station's website www.gyanstation.in for getting the details and getting yourself registered absolutely free for this knowledge sessions, this rocking sessions, which you will not get anywhere else. The Gyan Station webinars, I promise you, it's going to be absolutely different, which is going to make altogether difference in your way of learning. It's education, knowledge is passion at Gyan Station. Thank you. And I heartily, with all my heart, I thank Shweta ma'am for connecting with us and giving her valuable thoughts and time, and empowering and educating us and all our participants. Thank you all.